Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the ES File Manager on Android TV. Let's get straight into it. So, Android is stomping on some apps which are not very much in compliance with their policies. So, sometimes we have an app, like for example this ES File Explorer or File Manager. I have it installed, but you cannot see it in my app library right here. In this case, it may load up after some time. So like now it is loaded and you can find it right here. Alternatively, you could access this type of apps from your settings, go to apps, and you could find whatever app. So scrolling down, if I'm looking for ES, I go to the E, and there I have the app. I'll be able to open it from here, or just with the app library, depending on which works for you. So if you appear in app library, get into it that way, or you could access it from the settings and apps. So while in the app, this is a file explorer. It allows you to look at images available in your local device. You could also look at videos, all sorts of categories. You can see them at the top of the screen. This local device, the storage has DCIM, downloads, alarms, Android, and all that good stuff. So you can go back to home right here, and you see all these options. You could sort by documents to see just the documents that are in the device and even the type of documents. So all that sorting is available on this app. That's what makes it peculiar. You can sort by music, you can sort by apps. So if you have those type of content available, you're going to see them pop up. Usually apps, you will see different APKs right here. So moving on, you could enter internal storage to see the folders you have on your local device. You will see all of the folders categorized, and you could access them right here on any of these boxes. So if I want to see everything I've downloaded, I'll see here. This is the default Android folder and all the other necessary folders. So navigating this app is very easy. Everything is on screen. You could use the cleaner, cloud drive, you could compress, you could use the sender, even the node editor. So all of these options are available right here, and you could also subscribe to the premium version where you could have other advanced features. So you could click on this button to view the requirements for premium membership, and you could log in if you already have a premium membership with that button right there. So that is not my intention for this video. My intention for this video is to navigate the app, and all of these are the settings you could use to navigate the app. So if you want to search something, click on this top icon right here and search for what content you're looking for. So for instance, I'm looking for a content that starts with the word kingdom, and I tap on search. I'm going to see the results if there are any. So the search button is used to find whatever content you're looking for. So I just tap key and you find Kingdom of Heaven right here. So this is a button you use to search for the content you know is on your device, and you could access a lot on your local device right here. Now aside that, under home, you will also open your recycle bin to see the files which have been deleted and access them right on the recycle bin. Other folders and breakdowns include new files and bookmarks. So you could sort and categorize things you want to keep under separate categories under these options. So under new files, you could look at a log of all the files coming into your device when they came in and is ranked in that order. Alternatively, you could also look at the bookmarks. This will be your bookmarks which you have made. In my case, I've made none, so the folder is empty. But in a nutshell, that is all about the app. If you want to get the ES File Explorer, this is how it would look like, and these are the options you use to navigate it. If you found that insightful and you learned how to navigate through the app and make it useful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be part of this family so you understand all apps and all about Android TV, TV boxes, Google TVs, That's what the channel is about. This is DaveTech signing out, and I want to see you in the next video.